What's up YouTube? On today's video I got a cool stuff to show you guys. I got this Moroso catch can. So the important thing having a catch can is it's not like you're gonna get expensive one or cheapest one. I mean all catch cans are designed for the same purpose, to catch the oil, right? This thing helps a lot to the engine, not going no more the oil into the intake manifold, which is you keep it more clean, the intake inside. That's my opinion. So in this case, in my 2017 Tacoma, maybe if you think it's difficult, it's not difficult at all. You have to unplug. Oh my bad. This little clip, you can just squeeze it with your fingers, and that's it. And then there's the other side, which is right there. That clip right there. Just squeeze it and pull it. I think it's pretty easy. Just like, I think it's more difficult changing the brakes, right? So I'm gonna show you how to install this little catch can. The only thing you have to figure it out, where are you gonna put it? You can put it right there, you can put it next to the master cylinder, you can put it right here. This little hole is for, you can put your solenoid or whatever for your light bars. In this case, can be for my catch can, the light bar, maybe in the future. But let me show you, it's not difficult at all. It's super easy. Okay, like I said, just squeeze this little clamp and then pull it, and it's free. So, and the other side, you have to, figure, like you said. What's difficult, because I'm trying to show you in the video, but it's more easy if you put your hand in this side. Squeeze it and pull it. You can see right there. See? And that's it. That's all you have to do. Now you have to connect your hoses for your catch can. So like I said guys, so it's super easy. You have to plug one of these lines over here, and you can use an aftermarket clamp, and the other one, which is the vacuum for the intake manifold, is this one. The only thing, like you said, you have to figure out which you're gonna put your catch can. In this case, I feel like this is the best place for the catch can. And if you live in California like me, this is your original hose to the intake manifold, to the engine. You have to save this, because like I said, this thing helps a lot to the engine. But if you're gonna go and go to the smoke check and they see this, it's not gonna pass. So every year you have to, every other year you have to disconnect everything and put your original hose in place. But it's not gonna take long, maybe 10 minutes of your time, and that's it. But this thing, like I said, helps a lot to the engine. Well, you guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and see you next video, guys.